let's move on to a little topic that decided to resurface, and that
Yes, it
is
did.
tip shaving. We talked about this, a couple of months ago at this point now, and it seemed like it was taken care of, but now it seems to be back.
Yeah, it's back with a vengeance. This is from LA. I sent this to Uber, and I said,
Good.
okay, my Uber contact left, right? Within like a day, she responded saying, oh, it was only on black, and yes, it happened. We're fixing it, whatever, right? This is Uber
Mhm.
X. This is Uber X. Now, I have new contacts at Uber who are doing a good job, I'm assuming, because I'm not like with the other one that left. I miss her, actually. There's nothing wrong with you all. I'm not saying this. Like, don't kill me here. So, Chris, you're good at math. Yeah.
See,
Okay. So, do you see this screenshot where it's highlighted, where it says upfront fare? Upfront fare. Yeah. 2280, right? Upfront fare is 2280.
Yep.
Okay. Do you see where it says $4 tip?
Yep.
Okay. What should this
wait,
tip?
wait, what's going on here? Well,
Yeah,
they do say that 1 + 1 = 3. So I mean, 2280 + 4 is 2342.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So 21.42 miles, 34-minute trip. Uber X, not like XL or Black. Uber. We have a problem, Houston. Okay. We had this before. You guys fixed it. We appreciate it. This is a no-go. Okay. I mean, I would love. I just sent it to them actually because I got this a couple days ago, and I would love an explanation on this because last time there was an explanation and it was fixed. The math don't add up. Uber,
No, it definitely doesn't. 2280 plus $4.
Yeah.
For the folks who actually understand math and numbers and want to get paid right, that is $26.80. You're missing $3.38 here.
Yeah, well, and the driver sent a nice email that sent it to me. He goes, look, 338 is not going to make me rich, and I'm not going to call Black Hole Support and chase it for the rest of the day. But multiply that times how many trips? Hundreds of thousands of trips? Millions of trips an hour? Uber. No good. No bueno. We need, at least give me an answer. So here it is. The whole shebang is here. This is the receipt. Earnings 23.42. Now, Chris, if the trip went shorter, there would be another disclaimer right under the fare saying you were paid less because the trip went shorter, right? Or something.
Yep.
No, straight up. Math is math, Uber. It's a straight tip, $4. Upfront ping was 22.80. That's our contract, Uber. That's our contract. Tips are not supposed to go anywhere except to the driver. Okay. So you guys bamboozled $3 and some change here. Please fix this. This is bullshit. So airport fee, all this fee, all that fee. By the way, nice take rate, Uber. Nice take rate on this trip, man. Did you see what they charged the rider, bro?
Yeah, almost $64 for that.
$64, bro.
Whew. And the driver got 23. Wow. Good job.
Good job.
$40 to Uber. 23 for the driver.
What is that?
Enjoy.
65, 70, 60%, 70%? Some ridiculous fucking.
Yeah, it's
do you see the commercial insurance
stuff?
Do you see that commercial insurance line item?
Yeah,
$25,
which is insane.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Well, that's the problem. all those damn insurance, all those billboards that are down Ventura Boulevard saying, "Hey, have you been injured in Uber? Call us. We'll sue you. We'll sue for you."
Yeah, well, I mean, okay, if you look at this, Chris, $25. So Uber is going to say, well, our take rate is not 60% here, okay, or 65%. They're going to go take the 25 out, take the city fee out, take the California driver benefits out. Thanks to us, that went to 79 cents. Take the airport fee out. We didn't make any money on this trip. What are you guys talking about? Is what Uber going to say.
Well, you know what? What if they were capped and had to pay drivers 80%? What would the cost of this ride look like then?
Oh my God. Yeah. So service fee on this after all the expenses, Uber still made like $20 on this trip. Okay. The expenses on this trip, 24 or 25, 19, 79, and 420 is more than what the driver made. But
well, yeah, the
$25
just
take rate, Uber. We got the
was.
take rate. That's not the point. Where is the tip? What happened here? We need to know.
Well,
I know you guys are taking a screenshot of this. I'm sure you guys are going to look into this trip. Please let me know.
Well,
what
I will tell you right now, the upfront fare was $22.80, and they earned more because of a rider left a tip. But the problem is they decided to change the base fare to $19.42.
What? Yeah, I know.
That's where they got the $23.42 from.
Well, anyway you look at it, you add $22.80 plus 4, or you take $23.42 minus the $19.42. Why the $22.80 minus $19.42 is what happened?
It's the difference between what the driver should have gotten and what they actually got.
Yeah, why upfront fare? I mean, the trip didn't go short, nothing happened. Your algo didn't catch it up. Because you remember we had this problem before. Remember, they released this like 2 years ago. I did a huge article, and that was the first time my contact came around. They even made me take the article down. Do you remember that? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Which
I remember you were on the phone for like an hour venting, pissed off about that.
Yeah, they were. Remember, and that's when my relationship started with Uber. And so point is, it was exactly this. They put the upfront and they put the other number, and no number made sense. And I go like, shit, I'm gonna write an article. I have 500 trips like this. So I guess you guys glitched again. You know, this.
Yeah, you know what the glitch was? Hey, we need to find some extra money so we could put it in a T-bill area for the time being, and then once we make our money back, then we'll be able to we'll say it was a glitch and we'll pay our drivers back. Don't
get me started there. By the way, that article's still online somewhere. I still have it on my hard drive. All those, somebody released all those upfront fare versus the actual fare, right? And so it looks like it's happening again, Uber. So I would love an explanation for this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think the driver would also like his, few dollars back and not having to deal with support to get that back.
Well, if this is happening to you people, you guys saw it clearly. If this is happening to you, please email me all the screenshots you want, Sergio@therideshareguy.com, because this is no good.
Yeah, exactly. And so yes, the big moral of this story is check all of your screenshots, take screenshots. So when you get the ride that comes in, make sure you take a screenshot of that, of the ride offer. Then when you get the receipt, take a screenshot of that. If there's any discrepancies where you should be getting more than what they're showing, something's going on there, definitely hit up Sergio for that.
Yeah, please. Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.